Girl, I see that you want it, driving me crazy with that fire in your eyes. But try to ignore it.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Delisha V, and today I'm here with an easy summer hairstyle. One that you don't need any braiding hair, no synthetic hair, you don't need to know how to feed in. You can have a quick, easy summer hairstyle, girl. Now, I did cheat on one part, but I didn't really cheat, but I parted my own hair, but I had my sister come over and just make sure the parts are straight, because let me tell you something, I'm not gonna do all these braids, all this taking my time. I actually took my time on these braids just for it to be crooked in the back. Like, no way, Jose. So I had to do a little cheat. So if you got somebody to at least look at the parts after you do them, then that's better than not having nothing at all. Or at least one of those three-way mirrors, which I don't have, but I am gonna put one in my Amazon cart today. Now, I know some people have their problems with braiding gels. Now, I do think some real braiders can get a little excessive with the braiding gel, but that's the good thing about doing your own hair, girl. You can use as much or as little gel as you want to use. Now, using no braiding gel is a terrible option, so you need to use something, but the one I showed earlier in the video is a really good one that has a strong hold without being super like hard on your hair. Now, I know some braiding gels, literally when you try to take it out, when you take your braids down, try to wash your hair, you literally need to clarify it 20 times. That's how strong that gel is, making your hair super hard and like wax together. But this one doesn't really do that. I used it, this is my second time using it, and I could literally comb through my braids after I took them down last time. So I think that's a good sign, girl. Go and give it a try. Now, I am using enough to cover all of my roots of my hair. I need every root of my hair to have braiding gel on it, because that's the only way my hair gonna last. I have super frizzy, dull hair for some reason. So after 2 days, if I don't put a lot of gel or enough gel on my hair, this will be over. This will style last 1 day and it'll be done. But I'm on like day 5 now and my hair still look good, so I think it's going well. Now, as long as you know how to braid to the scalp, I think that you can do this style. The parts are the hardest part. And braiding, if you don't know how to braid to the scalp, this is not like a tutorial on how to braid to the scalp. It's just like a style tutorial. But if you want to learn how to braid to the scalp, I think I might have a tutorial. Actually, that's a box braid tutorial. I feel like I'm rambling on this thing, but it's okay. This is my video. This is my channel. I can say what I want to say. I'm just kidding. Okay, let's get serious. So I'm just repeating it on every single braid. I think pre-parting your hair is the key to not making braid styles last forever. Not last forever, take forever to do. So this only took me maybe an hour max out an hour from beginning to end. And it's because the parts are already done. If I was like having to spend 20 minutes on each part, making sure it was straight before I could start braiding, girl, I would still be braiding right now. And I know y'all saw that mirror. I told y'all I don't have a three-way mirror, so this is my best option. I did go back over the parts a little bit, even while I was braiding it, just some extra little tweaks. And then I made sure every braid looked good before I moved on to the next one. So I'll braid one, look at the back with my mirror, and then if it look good, I'll keep going. If it don't look good, I will take it down. I'm not ashamed to take some down and start over, girl. But I'm not gonna ramble this whole video. I'm about to put the music back on and let y'all just watch me finish it out. But I'm gonna come back at the end and I'm gonna try to know if y'all think it turned out good. Let me know in the comments what you would do differently. Let me know in the comments what's the next style I can do. So basically, I'm trying to do a new hairstyle every week or every week and a half, just because I need to wash my hair more, and I get really bad fairy knots on the end of my hair if I just wear it curly out like all summer. So I'm trying not to just wear like a wash and go or anything. So I'm trying to do easy, quick braid styles that don't require any braiding hair, because I don't know, something about the braiding hair just feel like it's drying my hair out even more. My hair already dry, girl. I don't need you to make it worse. I don't need you to make it worse. So let me know some other styles that I can do. This is my second video in this series, so we got a long way to go. It's only June, the beginning, so we got at least 3 more months of hairstyles that I'm gonna try to do. So I'm done talking. I'll come back at the end. Y'all enjoy the rest of this video.
Girl, I see that you want it, driving me crazy with that fire in your eyes. But try to ignore it. Part of me wants to see you read between the lines, and all of the back and forth, the signals intertwine. Baby, won't you take your time with love for me, love for me? Your heart be falling right into mine. I don't want the rush to get the best of me, best of me. Just know that's all I'm asking for. Don't you call me Casanova? You see Isn't it crazy how the stars have fall aligned? Oh, yeah. But can I be honest? I'm so afraid to fall too deep or flow too high. Cause all of this chemistry, it caught me by surprise. Baby, won't you take your time with loving me, loving me? I promise, boy, that we'll be alright. I don't want the rush to get the best of me, best of me. It just makes me want you more and more. Don't you call me Casanova? You see the falling slowly. I'm just trying to get to know ya. We can take the time, come and show me. Rose in the air, aroma. I don't wanna try to make you right. Don't you call me Casanova? Just want you to love me. I want you standing right here next to me. No other way, that's how it's supposed to be. We've been going overtime, I'm hoping I'ma leave all the doors wide open, oh yeah. But you wanna turn and walk away, go talk to me. That's all I wanna know. Don't you call me Casanova? I'll give you the promise of love. Just trying to get to know ya. I can give you the word, I can give you the word. It's in the air, aroma. Cause I don't wanna have to watch you go. Don't you call me Casanova? Just want you to love me. Don't fight, no. You see the falling slowly. Don't fight, just give it up. We can take our time, come and show me. Don't fight, no. I don't wanna try to make you right. Don't fight, just give it up. Just want you to love me. Girl, I see that you want it. Driving me crazy with that fire in your eyes. Oh.
So here are the final results, girl. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10, but y'all let me know in the comments what you think about it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.
Cause I don't want this simple life. It's a